Hi guys, today we're going to make a Father's Day gift. We're going to make a surprise burger. Inside the burger you can add in all of your dad's favorite things. You're going to need a piece of paper. I have a pencil and eraser and a Sharpie, and then anything that you have to color in with. I'm going to be using watercolors, so since I'm using watercolors I also need a brush and a water cup and a paper towel. We're going to get started by folding our paper. So we want our paper to be portrait, so tall like a door, and you're going to fold over the bottom right up to meet the top corner, and once the two corners are lined up you're going to press right in the center all the way out to the edges. So nice and folded in half. To take the very top part, just the front paper, and I'm going to fold that down to meet the bottom. Line up the corners first and then press down in the center and go out to the edges, just a gentle press. So now we have our paper ready to make our burger. We're going to start with our paper folded like this. I'm going to draw my burger patty right above my fold. So my burger patty, I want it touching my fold and going about halfway because we need space for the bun. And right above that, as wide as my burger patty, I'm going to make a nice arch that comes all the way to the very top of my paper and reaches the other side of my burger patty. And I'm going to make a little slice of cheese right on top of that. So my cheese, I'm going to start by making a nice wide V shape. And where my cheese touches the top of my burger, I am going to make just a slightly wavy line. Goes right above my burger patty and hangs off the side. So inside that shape, we can erase everything. And I'm going to make the bottom of my burger. So I want my bottom of my burger bun to come out pretty straight from the edges and across. So that's my bottom bun. And I'm going to make a nice oval plate that my burger is sitting on. So the top half of my paper is my burger bun, cheese patty. The bottom of my paper is my bottom of my burger bun and my plate. Once you have that, you can open it up. I want to give myself a little guideline, really lightly, just mark off where the edges will line up. I can make the top of my burger bun right there. And at the bottom of my patty, I'm going to round it just a little bit. That's not necessary to do that, but it just helps keeping everything inside. So now we can fill our burger with whatever you'd like. I'm going to start just by putting some lettuce in the center. That's going to be kind of my center divider. So I'm making a wavy line. It sticks out a little bit past my guideline. This is my lettuce. Above the lettuce, I'm going to start adding some of my dad's favorite things. So my dad loves baseball. I am going to make a nice round baseball in there. It doesn't all have to be food. This is just for fun. So I'm going to make a nice round baseball and making the little stitches on the baseball. And a baseball bat. My dad also loves lemon meringue pie. So I'm going to make a nice slice of pie right in here. So I'm going to make the crust of my pie. With some meringue or whipped cream right on top. I'm going to add one more burger patty in here. So just below my lettuce, I'm going to add in another burger patty. So a nice round oval. I'm going to add in my slice of cheese that's just above my burger. A nice V shape. And erase everything on the inside of that. And my dad also loves sushi. So I'm going to draw in some sushi in my burger. I'm going to make a little shrimp. And erase everything out inside of that. And I'm going to make some sushi rolls. So everything that I draw needs to fit inside of this area. We don't want it coming above our burger patty, that's at the top, and we don't want it coming below our bun, that is right here. And put some little things inside of my sushi rolls. Any extra space you can write in words. So I'm going to write in some messages to my dad. So right in the middle, I'm going to write Happy Father's Day. If it goes over your lettuce a little bit, that's okay. And I'm going to write I love you right in this area. So I have a nice big space here. I think I'm going to start with a nice big heart shape. And I will write in I love you and Dad. And in this area, I'm going to write in you are the best. Now that I have everything filled in, I don't need these guidelines anymore. I can erase anywhere that I see a guideline. That was just to help me place everything in the center. I'm also going to draw in a couple little sesame seeds. You don't have to, completely optional. And I have a Sharpie that I'm going to start outlining my entire burger. And all of your pencil lines you can erase. Now that we have all of our burger Sharpie outlined, I am going to use watercolor to fill it in. Like I said, if you don't have watercolor and you want to use colored pencils or crayons, anything you have will work for this. I am going to pick a color that is close to a bun color, and I am going to paint in my top and bottom bun. I'm going to go carefully around my sesame seeds. I'm just going to leave those white. Once I have that done, I'm going to go on to my burger patty. It can be any kind of burger patty you'd like. It can be a veggie burger, a turkey burger, or a regular burger. And while that's drying, I'm going to go on to some of the stuff on the inside. So I'm going to start with my lettuce. And my sushi. For my outside of my sushi rolls, I'm going to mix together some black and green just to make it really dark. And I'm going to fill in my baseball bat. And my lemon meringue pie. And I'm going to do my cheese. Now that my burger patty and my burger bun are dry, I'm going to mix together some yellow and orange to get a nice American cheese color or cheddar cheese color. And I'm going to fill in my heart. And I'm going to do my pie crust. Now that that is all filled in, I'm going to do my plate. So I'm going to do a nice light blue. And I'm going to get a little bit of a darker blue and add a shadow just on one side and just a little bit under my burger. I'm also going to do a little bit more on my baseball bat. You're welcome to add in as much detail as you'd like. You can always use color pencils or crayons right over your watercolor to keep adding in details. I hope everyone had fun and that you make someone feel very special when you give this to them.